Hi guys and welcome back to English Smart Learn. Today we're going to move to video number 22 and we will listen to some people talking about their everyday activities. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ đến với video thứ 22 và hôm nay chúng ta sẽ nghe nhiều người kể về những hoạt động thường ngày của họ. What do you do every day? And first we'll take a look at some of the vocabulary that can be used to describe these activities. Đầu tiên thì chúng ta sẽ xem một vài những cái hoạt động để thể hiện những cái activities that you do every day, right? First, we have to get on the subway. Get on the subway tức là đi lên cái xe điện ngầm, đúng không các bạn? Now, we don't have a subway yet, but I think Ho Chi Minh City will have a subway very soon. Second, get off a bus. Bước xuống xe buýt. Hồi nãy chúng ta đi lên tàu điện ngầm và bây giờ chúng ta bước xuống từ xe buýt. That would be very nice. Get on là bước lên, get off, bước xuống. Withdraw. Withdraw money tức là chúng ta rút tiền từ trong cái ATM ra. So nowadays, a lot of people don't keep the money in the wallets, but they keep the money in the bank. And when they need to use money, they just go to the ATM and withdraw money. That would be safer for them. Feed the pets. Cho thú cưng ăn. So do you feed your pet? Well, I have 2 dogs and I feed them every day. Practice the violin. Do you practice the violin? Violin. I don't practice the violin. I practice the piano every day. Visit a friend. Do you often visit your friend? For me, I don't often visit my friend because I have to go to work in the evening and during the day, my friends go to work. Tôi thì cũng muốn đi thăm bạn bè lắm nhưng mà tụi nó đi làm ban ngày, tôi ở nhà. Tối tôi đi làm, tôi đi dạy thì tụi nó ở nhà. Cho nên là cũng khó. Còn cuối tuần thì phải dành cho gia đình. Ok. Clean one's room. Lau nhà, dọn phòng. Do you clean your room? Well, when I was a kid, I never had to clean my room. My mother cleaned the room for me. But now, when I have already been married and I have a small family of my own, I have to clean my own room. Như vậy các bạn thấy đó là sống với mẹ thì nó vui hơn là sống với vợ, bởi vì mẹ làm cho mình tất cả mọi thứ trên đời, còn sống với vợ thì cái gì mình cũng phải tự làm. Các bạn nghe biết thôi nhá, đừng có đi mách vợ tôi là chết rồi đấy, chúng ta chia tay nhau vĩnh biệt nhau từ đây luôn đấy. Next, take a walk. Đi bộ, đi dạo. This is a nice activity, alright. Take a walk by a lake, taking a walk in the park with your kids and with your friends. Very relaxing. Play basketball. Do you play basketball? I don't play basketball. I prefer arts, music and singing. Tôi thì không chơi thể thao các bạn, tôi chỉ thích âm nhạc với nghệ thuật thôi. Đó là lý do mà tôi thấp cổ bé họng như thế này. Wait for a bus. If you go on the bus regularly, if you go by bus regularly, you will have to wait for a bus. But I never have to wait for a bus. I often ride on the motorbike and I prefer the motorbikes. Do homework. Are you a good student? Do you do your homework? When I was a kid, I always did my homework very carefully. I spent whole nights doing homework. And the teachers always thought very highly of me because all of my homework was always correct. Now, get dressed. Do you often get dressed? Do you get dressed every day? Now, if you don't, then I love you already. Alright. So we have just seen some of the words that are used to describe everyday activities. Chúng ta vừa xem qua một số từ dùng để diễn tả những cái hoạt động thường ngày của chúng ta. Bây giờ các bạn hãy nghe các phát âm và lặp lại. Listen and repeat the words and the phrases.
Get on the subway. Get off a bus. Withdraw money. Feed a pet. Practice the violin. Visit a friend. Clean one's room. Take a walk. Play basketball. Wait for a bus. Do homework. Get dressed.
Right. Now let's move on to the listening. Bây giờ chúng ta chuyển qua phần listening. Phần listening hôm nay của chúng ta thì các bạn nghe và đánh số xem hoạt động nào xảy ra trước, hoạt động nào xảy ra sau. Ok, chúng ta có 6 cái hoạt động thường ngày mà trong số 12 cái mà chúng ta vừa bàn tới. Now you listen to the first one carefully.
I was really surprised when I saw him. I was standing at the ATM, not far from the cafe. I was withdrawing money for the evening when he tapped me on the shoulder. I really jumped.
So you see that she was standing at the ATM, she was withdrawing money. Vậy thì số 1 của chúng ta chính là withdrawing money. Listen to the second one.
I was getting on the bus when I saw her. She was wearing a red sweater and jeans. She didn't see me.
Cái này thì hơi nhanh, nếu các bạn nghe kỹ thì bạn thấy là I was getting on the bus when I saw her. Tôi đang lên xe buýt thì tôi thấy cô ta. But she didn't see me, nhưng cô ta không thấy tôi. Number 3.
When I got to her apartment, I rang the doorbell. She met me at the door and told me to come inside. I stayed for about an hour. It was a short visit, but it was fun.
So you see, this is visiting a friend. It was a short visit. I saw her at the doorbell, right? Tiếng chuông cửa reo lên thì bước ra thấy người bạn mình đến thăm mình. Next.
We were talking so much that I wasn't really paying much attention to what I was doing. We were getting on the subway when I realized I had left my backpack on the bench in the station.
Alright, you see that we were getting on the subway and he was talking so much he forgot what he was doing. Như vậy là người này đang đi lên cái cầu điện ngầm đúng không? Và anh ta để quên được cái ba lô của mình ở trên cái ghế đá. That's the point. Now listen to the next one.
Misha, my cat, is usually really hungry in the evening. I was feeding him today as usual, but he wasn't interested in the food. I told my mother, and she said that Misha had stolen the chicken salad from the kitchen table earlier. That's why he wasn't hungry.
So you see, she is talking about her cat, right? And today the cat doesn't want to eat because the cat has already stolen the chicken from the table. Như vậy rõ ràng là cô ta đang nói về chuyện cho con mèo nó ăn, nhưng hôm nay con mèo không chịu ăn, tại vì con mèo nó đã ăn trộm nhưng con gà nó ăn hết rồi. Now we're gonna listen to the next one.
Just as I got to the bus stop, a storm broke out. It started to rain heavily. I had to wait there in the rain for about 15 minutes. I got really wet.
So he is waiting for a bus and the rain came down. He was really wet. Rõ ràng người này đến cái trạm đó thì trời bắt đầu mưa và anh ta phải chờ xe buýt đúng không? Và anh ta bị ướt nhẹp thì got really wet. Trong video vừa rồi thì các bạn đã cùng tôi nghe mọi người nói chuyện về những cái hành vi thường ngày của mình. We listened to different people talking about their everyday activities. I want you to do more practice, learn the vocabulary that we talked about, and good luck with your listening. I hope that you're gonna develop your listening skills after each of these lessons. And so goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll continue to discuss listening.